Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, hype up the video, join as a member of the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this handkerchief skirt. It has elastic waist and I've been wanting to make this skirt for a long time, and this is how it turned out. It turned out beautiful and it's very easy. You get to make it in just one cut and just the band, and that's it. So let's get into this amazing tutorial. So guys, for this you're going to take your fabric. Now this fabric that I have here is 60 inches long, so the length of the fabric is 60 inches, because most times when people are making this particular skirts, they actually use 60 inches by 60 inches so that they can have a good square to work with. So after cutting it, you're going to fold it into two, and then you're going to fold it into two again. So into two, it will be like this, and then the next fold will be on the side that is folded. So you fold it into two. So now what you're going to do is you're going to figure out what your waist circumference is. In my case, it's 28 inches. And because I want it to be an elastic waistband, I'm going to add 12 inches. This includes my seam allowance and everything, 12 inches, which gives me 40 inches, right? Now you're going to take whatever total you get and divide it by 6.248. I'm not going to bother you with all the calculation, 2 pi r, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to do that. You guys know me. I always want to give you guys the easiest way to make things. So it's 6.248. You are going to be dividing that measurement by. In my case, that gives me 6.4, but I'm going to move it backwards to 6 inches. Now you're going to go to this corner, this folded corner, and you're going to measure 6 inches till you get to this side. So this is what I'm talking about. You're going to keep going 6 inches till you get to this other side. And then once you get there, you're going to create your curve basically. Now a better way to even do this, now that I have 6 inches, right, I'm going to minus 0.5 inch from that, which gives me 5.5 inches. So instead of marking 6 inches, I'm going to measure 5.5 inches instead, so that I'll be able to cut it out with my seam allowance. So the seam allowance is already in the 5.5, and when I sew it, it's going to go to that 6 inches point. Do you guys get? So measure 5.5. Anything you have on your own, you are going to minus 0.5 inches. My own case was 6. That's why I'm using 5.5 now to create that curve. I'm doing another skirt with this fabric as well, so I'm going to use this as the example. So this is what you're going to have. After measuring the 5.5, you cut it out just like this, and you're going to have a circle just like this. And then this is going to look somewhat like this. Now you're going to need a band that is 5 inches by 41 inches. Remember, all around our waistline is 40 inches. So you're going to cut out 41 inches by 5 inches. And what you're going to do now is you're going to place it right sides facing each other at the short edge, just like this. So it's down at that short edge. So guys, I'm going to use this as an example because it has a front and a back. The black I was using does not have a wrong side. So we're going to take our band. So can you see I have sewn it together to make it a round shape. And then I'm going to take it like this. The right side, I'm going to put it inside the wrong side. So just like this. So just like this. And then I'm going to pin it all around. So all around the circle. So you're pinning right sides of the band facing the wrong side of the skirt. So that's what you're going to pin all around. After pinning, it's going to look like this. This one, I've pinned it all around that face. When you are done sewing it all around, you're now going to bring it out like this. So you're going to bring out your band and fold it into two, just like this. And then with that, we're going to do the way we always make our bands basically. What you're going to do is you're going to fold it by 1/2 of an inch and use it to cover the seam that you just made. So you're going to cover it and you're going to sew it all around, but you're going to leave a space that we're going to put our elastic through. So fold it and start sewing. Continue folding by half of an inch. Make sure it's covering whatever seam you have right there. So you know you would have sewn it just like this. So make sure it's going to cover that seam so that it's going to be clean on the front side. So you're going to continue sewing till you get to the other side, but leave a small space before you're done so that we can put our elastic through.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
And guys, that's all I have for this video. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work with all my growing followers and even here on YouTube. I hope you learned a lot from this amazing video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hype the video, like this video, share within and outside the circle, join in as a member of the channel. And I have other videos on this channel as well that you would love. They are sustainable fashion videos, videos of pieces that you can style in multiple ways. You guys are going to love it, I promise. And that's all I have for this video. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.